Guys, you wouldn't notice that I just want to say I love my sister so much. But it's just me. It's just how I am. I always act up and say things that I don't mean, and I need her to know that I love her.
Now, with the tail, I just zoop, done. What's the next puppy over there, sir? Okay. Right now, it's me alone wake up, feeling hungry. The reason being because I eat dinner late. And you know that when you're sleeping, your metabolism is working because you're sleeping and you just eat late, and that's why every time I wake up I feel hungry. I'm eating tonight, I'm gonna eat last night, as you guys saw in the vlog. Boy, oh boy. So I want to see if I can get breakfast right now, hopefully, because I think I have like my sister at 9, almost 8 o'clock. You know, I'll take my long bed. See if I can get something to eat. If not, I'll just stuff it out. Hi, good morning. Chicken, boiled chicken. We have one for the children. One. Just the food already. Guys, this is breakfast: fruits, chicken, fried dumpling, 2 boiled dumpling, 1 banana. Should I buy 1 drink now? But yeah. My girls finished have breakfast a while ago. It's Also tell me that you like a 8 because some like when the banana the dumpling in the water, the dumpling come out of the water, so you know the dumpling dry. And I'm disappointed to know how much money I spent and a 4 piece of food I get. But the chicken was A1, but it was alright. So heading to work now, so catch you guys. As usual, you guys know I gotta be eating some food. Mama needs some food. So not really anything big, because as you guys saw, I had a healthy, heavy breakfast this morning. Although it was A1, but I'm gonna get corn dog right now. So that's Jamaican style corn dog. It's not the original. It's called a Jamaican style corn dog. So when I reach no corn dog. Oh boy. Why you put them with this? You do me this last week when you never have no what was it, the cheese or something? I know today why. What happened? What's happening? What's happening?
You look possible. This one was also chicken.
Oh boy. If I always have corn dog, my friend. You know the sun ash? You know from there what from? I'm upset because the sun ash. So I can't give my corn dog. Alright, so. As you guys saw, no corn dog, so I just bought a bun and cheese. I know what more so far for just a bun and cheese. I'm not even buy it, but actually the sun hot and I'm upset. So this is my lunch, bun and cheese. So I buy juice now and I drink water. So here, spice box. Leaving work and now, so let's come check in. And as you guys heard, I wanna feel, but like I don't know if you, but most people must watch Dalton Harris 1 X Factor. I feel proud of him. I know him from him little bit and I grew up. And him win. I know him from my little bit and I grew up. Big up yourself, Dalton. Yes, represent J. That's how it's supposed to go. So, journey with me on my way home, you know. I'm home, mistress. You see the missed call, you know? See the missed call.
Did you get a message?
No, I'm going to say I call. Who? I'm going to say they call me.
Yeah, I called and left a message.
No, I never get that message.
Okay.
You're good. How was dinner?
Not bad. You eat?
Pop's supposed to cook him.
Oh, that's priority, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright, there's two. And then again, the place locked. Come on, no say that. I'm going to see you no say that. I'm going to go see them here, but them closed already. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm home. So, guys, I'm coming home. My father gives me pork. Cheese. Are we a spy pan?
My boyfriend. I'm doing.
So you don't want some of the pork? You don't want some?
It's again.
Have some because if you're not taking it now, I finish it, you know.
Let's try to put something for me. Tell you now.
You're going like you're not greedy like me, eh? You don't want no more?
No.
Yeah, action for the vlog, yeah? Call me like all this and I get none of that, me I tell her. Yeah.
Me not coming.
Yeah, man, press the uniform, but you want me press it. So lazy.
Yes, you hard now. See, beg your pressure.
No, it's our full cup.
Yeah, I'm mad, you know. This is like a full cow.
Yeah. What?
Jesus Christ, what is funny? Ayan, kita kaya mo na tayo.
Me?
Yeah.
My dinner: baked chicken, rice and peas, lettuce, tomato, cucumber. I know that I can't leave out the pear. So yeah, let's merge them. Practically this is what I did today. Go to work, come home, eat food, sleep. So well, this is what I'm going to end the Vlogmas Day 3. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas thus far. Remember, guys, if you're new here, remember to subscribe. Remember to give my video a thumbs up and comment when done, because I'm doing post notification shout out. And if you would like to be featured, just comment. And what I would also like for you to do to like up my Facebook fan page, and also in the description box below you have my direct PayPal link. So if you like to go ahead and donate to my channel for a good cause, I would really appreciate it. But all the links are below, so just check them out. And I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 4. So good night, you guys, and see you guys tomorrow.